Do you know about spatial join? It's a geographic operation used in GIS to combine data from two or more layers based on their spatial relationships. And within clause specifies a spatial relationship condition, indicating that we want to join features based on whether they fall within a specified boundary. Let's take a quick look at our final result of a spatial join analysis. In this analysis, we've joined greenfield data with administrative boundaries. Welcome to MapOG, a powerful platform where we can perform spatial join with within clause. Let's delve into the process. First, open MapOG Map Analysis interface. Then add the data from GIS library. Search by country. Then choose your preferred data and add. Here I choose an administrative data. Then followed by the same process, add greenfield polygon data. After adding the both layers from edit map name, give a name to the untitled map, then click Save Map. Now for doing spatial join, go to Analyze Data. Then choose Spatial Join option. Then select the target features, Join Features. Then choose Match option, though we want to do spatial join with within clause, so I choose Match option within. Now click on New Data as I want to get a new layer after spatial join. You can also choose the Update option. Then switch on Keep All Targeted Features button. Then select Joining Operation as 1-to-1. After that, select the Field and Merge option. After all these selection, click Submit. Now a new join layer is opened. We can check the join database, just click on Action button, then choose Show Data Table. Let's see the join data table. Here we can see the both layers are joined successfully. We can see detailed data table illustrating the distribution and number of green spaces throughout the area. This information can inform urban planning decisions, such as where to prioritize the development of new parks or allocate resources for green infrastructure. This visual representation provides valuable insights into access to nature. By mastering these techniques, we can create healthier, greener, and more sustainable cities for all. Thanks for watching. Let's explore MapOG for more possibilities. Connect us at support@mapog.com for further assistance.